Mastering the art of primitive technology, unearthing the secrets of survival and innovation. Welcome to Tech Scientist, where we bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern innovation. On this channel, we explore the intriguing world of primitive technology and the remarkable skills that our ancestors used to thrive. Join us as we journey back in time to uncover the secrets of survival, innovation, and adaptation. Let's dive into the mesmerizing universe of primitive technology. In today's episode, we embark on a journey through time, unlocking the mysteries of primitive technology. We'll discover how our ancestors harnessed their surroundings, shaping tools, fire, and shelter to not only survive, but thrive in the wild. Our exploration will take us through the very origins of these techniques and how they played a pivotal role in the rise of early civilizations. From flint knapping to the art of fire making, from crafting primitive weaponry to culinary adventures in the wild, we leave no stone unturned in our quest to understand the marvels of our technological ancestors. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on an extraordinary adventure of knowledge and rediscovery. The origins of primitive technology. Our journey begins by unraveling the origins of primitive technology. In the dawn of human history, our ancestors were hunter-gatherers, relying on their wit and resourcefulness to survive. But as they learned to harness the power of the land, everything changed. They became innovators, shaping tools from stones, bones, and the elements around them. These tools were not just instruments of survival, they were the seeds of civilization. The ability to craft and wield these tools marked a turning point in human history, laying the foundation for what would become the diverse world of primitive technology. Tools of the past. The story of primitive technology is intrinsically tied to the tools that our ancestors crafted. They chipped away at stones to create razor-sharp blades for hunting and cutting. They skillfully shaped bones into needles for sewing and crafting. These tools weren't just instruments, they were the embodiment of innovation and adaptability. Our journey takes us deeper into the world of these tools as we explore the materials, techniques, and intricate craftsmanship that defined an era. Fire-making techniques. Fire, the ultimate tool and companion of our ancestors. But how did they make it? Our exploration continues with the art of fire making. Primitive people discovered ways to harness the power of fire without the convenience of modern lighters or matches. They mastered the use of friction, employing techniques like bow drills and hand drills. We'll delve into the science behind these methods, explaining the materials, the precision, and the perseverance it took to kindle that life-sustaining flame. Shelter and survival. In the world of primitive technology, shelter is not just a refuge. It's a symbol of adaptation and innovation. As our ancestors transitioned from nomadic life to settled communities, they needed protection from the elements and predators. Our journey takes us to the heart of shelter construction, with a deep dive into the creation of lean-to shelters. We'll discuss the selection of materials, building techniques, and ingenious insulation methods that allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. Primitive weapons and hunting. From crafting the perfect bow to fashioning deadly arrows and spears, our ancestors mastered the art of weaponry for hunting and self-defense. Join us as we explore the intricate process of crafting these weapons, from selecting the right wood to the fletching of arrows. We'll also discuss their pivotal role in early survival, detailing how these tools were fine-tuned over time to provide food, clothing, and protection. Clay from earth to pot. Primitive pottery making. The transition from a nomadic existence to settled life brought forth another marvel, pottery. Join us as we embark on a journey to understand the art of pottery, from selecting clay to shaping and firing pots. Pottery wasn't just about utility. It was the cornerstone of early civilization. We'll delve into the cultural significance, the evolution of pottery styles, and the innovation behind crafting the vessels that held the stories of our ancestors. Natural fiber crafting. Weaving baskets and cordage. The world of primitive crafting extends beyond tools and shelter. Natural fibers, both plant-based and animal-based, served as the raw materials for creating essential items. Dive into the fascinating world of weaving baskets and crafting cordage using age-old techniques. Learn how these skills played a crucial role in our ancestors' daily lives, from gathering and storing food to creating ropes for various purposes. Surviving in the wild. Foraging for primitive food sources. Survival in the wild required more than tools and shelters. It demanded a profound knowledge of the environment and its resources. In this section, we'll explore the art of foraging for primitive food sources. We'll provide a comprehensive guide to identifying edible plants, fruits, and potential risks. We'll also emphasize the seasonal availability and nutritional value of wild edibles, painting a picture of how our ancestors relied on the land for sustenance. Water in the wilderness, primitive sourcing and purification. The quest for survival revolves around one critical element: water. Our ancestors had to source and purify water in the wilderness. In this section, we'll explore the different methods for sourcing water, from identifying natural springs to digging wells. We'll also unveil the techniques for water purification, including the art of creating clay pots for storage and purification. Learn how our forebears ensure clean and safe drinking water in the most challenging environments. Time-tested agriculture, primitive farming techniques. The transformation from hunter-gatherer to agriculturist marked a monumental leap in human history. Join us as we explore the time-tested agricultural techniques that underpinned early civilizations. We'll uncover the secrets of slash-and-burn agriculture, terrace farming, and the use of traditional tools. Discover the innovation and sustainability that defined these ancient farming methods, shaping the course of history. Primitive textiles, from animal hides to clothing. Clothing is not just a means of protection, it's a testament to human ingenuity. Join us as we explore the evolution of primitive textiles, from using animal hides to crafting clothing. We'll delve into the intricate process of tanning and curing hides, transforming them into functional garments. Uncover the cultural significance and artistic expressions embedded in these textiles as they adorned the bodies of our ancestors. Healing with herbs, primitive medicine and remedies. Survival also meant understanding the healing properties of nature. In this section, we'll delve into the world of primitive medicine and herbal remedies. Our ancestors relied on plants and natural substances to treat common ailments and injuries. Discover specific herbs that held medicinal value as we uncover the remedies and practices that were passed down through generations. Homes around the world. Indigenous building styles. The art of shelter extends beyond lean-to constructions. Different regions and cultures adapted to their environments, leading to a rich tapestry of indigenous building styles. Join us as we journey across the globe, exploring homes like igloos, longhouses, and adobe structures. Understand how these architectural wonders harmonized with nature. Primitive survival. Essential skills for outdoor enthusiasts. Primitive technology isn't just a relic of the past. In this section, we'll provide hands-on demonstrations of essential primitive survival skills. From finding and purifying water to building shelters, creating fires, and identifying edible plants, we'll equip you with the knowledge to thrive in the wild. The future of primitive technology. As we journey through time, we also ponder the future. In this section, we consider the future of primitive technology and its relevance in the modern world. We explore how these skills can be adapted and integrated into contemporary life. From sustainable practices to innovative solutions, we unlock the potential of traditional knowledge for a more harmonious future. Adapting primitive skills in modern life. The knowledge of primitive technology isn't confined to the past. It has a place in our modern lives. In this section, we delve into practical ways that viewers can adapt primitive skills to their contemporary lifestyles. We provide specific examples of how traditional methods can be integrated into everyday activities, from DIY projects to outdoor adventures and sustainable practices. Join us as we unveil the timeless wisdom that can enhance our lives today. Our comprehensive journey through primitive technology has illuminated a vast world of knowledge, from ethics and sustainability to modern applications and the preservation of cultural traditions. As we conclude this video, we hope you're inspired to dive into this timeless world of wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary exploration of primitive technology. If this journey has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to embrace these skills, please like, subscribe, and share to help us build a thriving tech scientist community. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes as we continue to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern innovation. This is Tech Scientist, signing off until our next journey together. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.